Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. So welcome back to my class. As we are discussing 8th lesson, Luna Takes Awake textbook bits. So let us see the using grammar bit. Look at these words. Luna is a curious bat. Luna is a curious curious bat. Curious bat. Here curious is nothing but wants to know more and more everything about something. Okay. So pretty blue butterflies pretty blue butterflies. So the word curious tells us more about Luna. So how is Luna? Luna is a curious bat here. So the words pretty and blue tells us about the butterflies. So how the butterflies are? These are pretty blue butterflies. Okay. So curious, pretty and blue are called describing words. Here describing words also have other name, adjectives. One of the part of speech, adjective. Adjectives are nothing but describing words. So we use the describing words to talk about people, animals and things. Okay. Now let's start a bit. Say, S-A-Y, say, Y-E-S, yes, I-F, if, T-H-E, the, W-O-R-D-S, words, I-N, in, C-O-L-O-U-R, color, A-R-E-R, D-E-S-C-R-I-B-I-N-G, describing, W-O-R-D-S, words. Say yes if the words in color are describing words. So you have to identify whether the words in color are describing words or not. Okay. So let's start. First one is I, L-I-K-E, like, T-H-I-S, this, P-I-N-K, pink, S-O-A-P, soap. I like this pink soap. Pink is adjective or not? Yes, it is adjective. It is describing about soap. How is the soap? Soap is pink in color. Okay. So yes. Second, T-H-A-T, that, T-A-L-L, tall, G-I-R-L, girl, I-S is, M-Y, my, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. That tall girl is my sister. Your sister is not describing word, it is a noun. So just keep dash. Okay. Third, L-O-O-K, look, A-T-H, T-H-A-T, that, B-I-G, big, comma, R-E-D, red, C-R-A-B, crab, exclamatory mark. Look at that big red crab. So here big and red, it is describing words. They are describing about the crab. How the crab is. It is big and red. So you have to write Y-E-S, yes. Okay. Fourth one, squirrels, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L-S, squirrels, H-A-V-E, have, S-O-F-T, soft, F-U-R, fur. Squirrels have soft fur. Okay. Here soft is nothing but describing word. So that's why we are writing Y-E-S, yes. Fifth, I-D-R-A-N-K, drank, T-H-E, the, S-W-E-E-T, sweet, J-U-I-C-E, juice. I drank the sweet juice. Here drank is nothing but verb. You have done some action. So it is not a describing word. So that's why we have to keep dash. So children, did you understand the adjectives or describing words? Suppose for example, I say big pencil. Here what is the adjective or describing word? Big. Very good. B-I-G, big, because it shows that how is the pencil. The pencil is big, right? B-I-G. Okay. The next is this one. If I say colorful book, so can you identify the adjective or describing word? Yes, colorful. Colorful is nothing but adjective. It shows, it tells about the book, how the book is. Yes, the book is colorful. Yes, very good children. Now, here is the grammar for you. So, do you want to play? You have to play at home, okay? In place of classroom, you have to play at home. So first one, choose one thing from your classroom or from your home and give it to your teacher. In place of teacher, you can give to your parents, okay, your mother or father. You can take something from your bag or desk too. You can take out from your bag something and you have to show. So second, your teacher will put everything in a bag, okay. So the things you have to take out from the bag and you have to give to your parents. So they will take all those things, again they will keep in the bag, okay. So go up to the front of the classroom, just go for a walk and you have to come back. Then choose one thing from the bag without looking. So close your eyes and take one thing from the bag, okay. Then describe it using two describing words. So open your eyes and you have to, suppose if I take pencil from the bag, I open and I have to say the describing word. Suppose the example as a big pencil. So big is describing word. One I have said, okay. The second, just now I have said about the book. So colorful book. So two words I have described. In this way you can play anything. Either you can keep your compost box, the fruits, okay children. So well, we will stop till here. The remaining bits I'll be explaining you in the next video. So just go through the describing words adjective form. So don't need to worry, I'll be explaining you the detailed adjective part of speech in the another video. So please do watch, or else you can go to my YouTube channel, that is English Chatty Rocks, and there you can find more grammar part. Okay, well, stay tuned and keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.